Hey guys, Cal from Russ Darrow Mazda in Madison here. I get questions all the time regarding whether or not it's right for you to lease or buy a car, and what is the right time to do either. The reality is, if you're looking at leasing or buying, leasing's really great if you don't drive a lot a year, if you're really only using the car to go back and forth from work, maybe drop kids off at school or soccer or whatever. Works really well. If you're only wanting to have it a couple of years because you're thinking about moving or whatever, if you always want to have a car that's a little bit more updated and don't mind paying for the car, purchasing is really good if you're going to be using it for an extended period of time. Like if you want to own this car and then in 5 years give it to a new driver, or if you're going to be using it for a work vehicle, or if you're going to put a lot of wear and tear on it, or just drive a ton of miles. So those are the two instances in which that they both make sense. I'm more than happy to find the right one for you. Stop back in and we will help you. Bye.